Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix responsive issues on Wix. So, if you are struggling with responsive issues on Wix, you can learn how to easily fix mobile, tablet, desktop responsiveness problem in this quick guide. So, in the Wix editor, click on the preview button at the top right and switch between the desktop, tablet and mobile views to identify any responsiveness issues. You can just click on switch to mobile and see any responsiveness issues that you observe here. Now, click on the mobile view button in the editor, that is this button, and review your content looks and adjust text sizes, images and layout to ensure everything fits and is readable. On the mobile view, you can use the mobile specific editor to adjust elements. Tap on elements, check if anything is overlapping or out of place. You can resize any element just by selecting the resize area, just like this. And you can also remove any element to make sure that the content fits properly. If your text or images are not displaying correctly, you can try using strips or containers. These elements automatically adjust their layout for different screen sizes. Or you can also select any text that is overlapping and choose to put it on another page. Now, if some elements are unnecessary on mobile, you can hide them in the mobile view. You can just select the element, right click and choose hide, and that element will be instantly hidden. So you will see the hidden on mobile section just right here. You can click on show element or just select the I button and those elements will be shown. Now if you want to hide them, you can select them and choose hide element. Now ensure that no content overlaps switching between views. If it does, adjust the position of the element or resize them. After making the adjustment, preview the site again on all devices. Once satisfied with the layout, click publish to make the changes live. With these easy steps, you can fix your Wix site responsiveness and ensure it looks perfect on any device. Like, share and subscribe for more tips on improving your website design. See you in the next one.